Hello viewers, in this video we will write our first C++ code and also discuss about different part of our code. So let's see the code structure first, then we will do the code in code block. As you can see, at first I write hash include iostream. So here iostream means input output stream. Actually it is a header file, and hash include used to add the header file in our code. Then you have to write using namespace std. Then integer main it is a function called main function. We will talk about function broadly in our upcoming videos. Now as you can see, I write a statement cout then hello world in our code. So cout means it is a command to print anything from a code. As you can see, I want to print a string or a sentence from our code, so I used the cout command to print my string or sentence. You have to put the semicolon after every statement in the C++ program, otherwise compiler will show you an error. Now let's come to the return 0 part. What does that mean? Return 0 means successful termination. So it's not necessary to write return 0, but it's a standard form to write return 0 in C++ code. Now let's do our code in the code block. At first open the code block. Then click on file, click on new to empty file. Okay, let's save the code first. You can press Ctrl S, then write the file name. You have to write the .cpp extension after every file name in C++. Without this extension, compiler will show you an error. So you have to put that extension after every file name of C++ code. Okay, let's save the code. Now write our code. Okay, let's run the code. You can click on build and run, or you can press F9. And here it is, our string. So like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.